We walk through the step-by-step integration of the function, the integral of dx over negative 4 plus x squared, using the method of partial fraction decomposition. The goal is to transform the given rational function into simpler fraction that can be integrated directly. Step 1 is the recognizing the structure of the denominator. The denominator of a fraction is a negative 4 plus x squared. Rewriting it in the standard form, x squared minus 4. Recognizing the difference of squares. X squared minus 4 is equal to the quantity of x minus 2 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 2. This allows us to factor the denominator. 1 over x squared minus 4 is equal to 1 over the quantity of x minus 2 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 2. The step 2, setting up the partial function. Since the denominator consists of two distinct linear factors, we express the fraction as the sum of two simpler fractions. 1 over the quantity of x minus 2 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 2 is equal to a over x minus 2 plus b x plus 2. To determine a and b, multiply both sides by the quantity of x minus 2 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 2. To eliminate the denominators, 1 is equal to a multiplied by the quantity of x plus 2 plus b multiplied to the quantity of x minus 2. The step 3 is solving for a and b. Expanding the right hand side, 1 minus ex plus 2a plus bx minus 2b. Rearranging terms, and it would be 1 is equal to ax plus bx plus 2a minus 2b. Factoring out x, 1 is equal to a plus b multiplied by x plus 2a minus 2b. This equation must hold for all values of x. So we set up the system of equation by comparing the coefficients. A plus b is equal to 0 and 2a minus 2b is equal to 1. The step 4 is solving for a and b. From equation of number 1, which is b is equal to the negative a, substitute into the equation of 2a minus 2 multiplied by the quantity of negative a is equal to 1 2a plus 2a is equal to 1 4a and equal to 1a equal to 1/4. Using the b is equal to negative a is proportion to the b equal to the negative 1/4. The step 5 is rewriting the integral. Now that we have a and b, we rewrite the integral of dx over the quantity of x minus 2 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 2 would be equal to the integral of 1/4 over x minus 2 minus 1/4 over x plus 2 dx, splitting into two integrals. 1/4 to the integral of dx over x minus 2 minus 1/4 integral of dx x plus 2. Step 6 is evaluating the integral. We use the standard integral of dx minus x minus a is equal to ln x minus a. Applying this to our integral, 1/4 ln x minus 2 minus 1/4 ln x plus 2 plus c using the logarithm properties. 1/4 ln the quantity of x minus 2 over x plus 2 plus c. In conclusion, our final result is our integral is dx over the integral of dx over negative 4 plus x squared is equal to 1/4 ln x minus 2 over x plus 2 plus c, where c is the constant of our integration. And that's it for the partial fraction.